You guys, I have another Christmas episode for us today. It's super easy, super quick, super fun, and super cheap. I already did one and I loved it, so I want to show you guys how to do this. So if you go to the Dollar Tree, they have these clear ornaments and you can put stuff in them, and they're really, I don't know, I just love them. I think they're so cute. So anyway, you can put whatever you want in there and, you know, let's just do this. I'm so excited. Okay guys, I'm super stoked to do this. So the first one is just like a ball. Then we have this light bulb deal. And then I took the lid off, but this, I don't know, flask, whatever. So the first thing I want to do is put some of the fake snow in there. I already have some that's opened. Should have just done it like that in the first place. Okay, so just a little bit, and then, you know, if I want to add more, I can always add more. Then I'm gonna take this, I don't know what it's called, so I'm just calling it like a sprig, you know, and I'm gonna break a piece off, and then I'm gonna use pieces of that. So we'll take this big long guy, Fifi. Okay, you guys hear that squeaking? That's Fifi. She wants to play. Okay, I'm coming. So I'll be right back. I gotta play with her for a little bit. All right, I'm back. Sorry about that. Anyway, so here's this big long one. It's gonna be too long, but I don't care. I'm gonna shove it in there anyway. Oh, you know what? Maybe not. Let's just trim that a little bit. There. He's in there. The lid will go on top, so it'll be fine. And we throw another one in there. I don't really have like a certain thing I'm going for. I just like the green. We'll do one more. And I know that one's long, but see, we'll just do that. Okay. Maybe we'll add a little bit more fake snow. Yeah. I think that looks better. All right, and then I have these glitter balls that I used on a previous project, but they'll still work. What if we put a couple of these little red dingles in there? You know what? We have some silver. And then I also have some little tiny white ones. I think that's good enough. I like it, just like that. So, we'll pop that lid on there. There we go. I gotta take the tag off, but I think that's cute. You know, just a little something, right? Okay. For the next one, I'm gonna use this light bulb. You know what, I'm gonna plug in the glue gun. You guys, I gotta tell you something crazy. So you know how there's those blue whales out there in the oceans, right? And they're huge, you know, they probably weigh like a shit ton, I don't know. Anyway, so I was reading and I found out how much their tongue weighs. So an adult whale, blue whale, their tongue weighs up to 8,000 pounds. 8,000 pounds, man. What the fuck? What? That's what? That's just nuts. That's just a tongue. I got nothing. I don't even know what to say. That's just, holy shit. That's crazy. Okay. So for this one, again, we'll start with the fake snow. We really need to get a funnel. All right, that's good enough. Man, I made a big ass mess. Okay. So I want to use some of these. I don't know what they are, but I like them. I'm just gonna pull it right off of there. Okay, then they have these like little, whatever that is at the end. So I'm just gonna snip that off. Watch your eye. Okay, here goes another one. Careful. Okay. Well, you know what? I got these tweezers, so maybe I can keep hold of it. Poke him down in there. Yeah, well. I think we need another one in there, like a taller one. Fifi thinks we do too. Oh, you know what? That kind of looks cool. All right, we're gonna leave it like that. And then we'll throw some red. Nah, we'll throw some silver balls in here, I guess. Okay, good enough. Maybe I should just leave it alone, you know? That one lonely ball in the front is bugging me. All right, I don't have any more little baby ones, so the big boy's going in. There we go. God dang. Okay. So I'm good with that. Better just leave it be before I mess it up anymore. Although I really kind of do want to put, I'm doing it. I'm gonna put one of these red balls in here. There we go. Now I'm done. For the last one, I have these little trees. I think they're all the same size. So what I'm gonna do is I just pulled off, okay, see how it has the stem, the base? Okay. So I just pulled that off of this one because I'm gonna hot glue it to this one to make it taller. Now I'm gonna do it again. Good? Okay. All right, now this is gonna be a challenge, but I'm gonna attempt to put this dude straight down into the middle of this. Wow. I did it. Holy crap, I did not think that was gonna happen. All right, you know what? I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna put some more, or I'm gonna put some fake snow in there. I kind of like that single little tiny baby tree. Look at him. He's a force in nature. He doesn't need anybody else. He's happy just the way he is. Okay, so let's give him some balls. Right there. Got 3 red balls. We'll give him a couple of these white dudes. Couple of silvers. There we go. All happy, you know? So that's, pretty much it for this one. And you can do anything that will fit in here. Do it, if it's something that fits your decor or something that you like, whatever, make it your own. And as always, I would love to see what you guys come up with if you choose to do this one as well. These were, Dollar Tree things, so not expensive and super quick, easy, fun. What more could you ask for, right? Okay. So there we go, that's it. Thanks for coming to the show, and we'll see you on the next one.